how to enable showing notifications, like a summary of notifications or a preview of notifications while your Apple Watch is on the lock face view mode. Okay, so like while it's in the lock screen mode or in the sleep mode here, and you wake your screen up, there's going to be like a preview of the recently received notifications. So if you don't want that, this is where you'll go. And if you want it, this is where you will go to do that. So while viewing the clock face like this here, press down on the crown once, and you will see all these app icons like this here. Tapping on the settings now will take you here, and the very first option to the top here will be notifications. You want to go into that here, and you'll see the second option here under the notification privacy section right there. And it says show summary when locked. Basically, Apple Watch can show you a notification summary or short look when it's locked. Okay, so this is typically has the app icon name and a brief headline of that recently received notifications. If you don't want these notifications appearing on your Apple Watch itself, you want to hide some stuff here, turn that off to save you some troubles later on. All right, like and sub.